Guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be creating a set of nails to promote Madam Glam's early Black Friday sale, which starts today, guys. Using my code you're going to get a massive 50% off, and it's only available until the 12th, so make sure you get your order in early. So in order to promote this sale, Madam Glam have challenged us to create a set of nails to promote their core values. So that could be creating a set of nails of your favourite animal print, and that's what I've done. So I've chosen zebra print because I just love zebras. I think they're so peaceful and they're absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be doing a zebra print set today. So I've started off by giving all 4 nails a coat of Spring in Paris. This is such a beautiful base colour, guys. This is my go-to base colour. Beautiful colour. Now that pinky nail is going to have a coat of maize, so I didn't need to go in with Spring in Paris on that nail, but I wasn't really sure what I was doing when I first started. So yeah, ignore that, and I'm going to give this 2 coats of maize. Beautiful colour as well. Now I'm using the Madam Glam's white gel paint and their detail liner brush, and I'm going to paint a cuticle cuff on this ring fingernail. But I want it to come further down on the right hand side than what it is on the left. And then on the pointer finger I want to do the same again, but I want it to come further down on the left than it is on the right, so the opposite basically. And these Madam Glam gel paints are super pigmented, guys, really pigmented, which is another value of Madam Glam's. Their gel polishes, their gel paints and their pudding gels are all really opaque. So once I've finished those, I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure, and the gel paints cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to be painting the zebra stripes just on the white parts of them 2 nails, and then on the middle nail I'm going to do a full zebra print nail. So while I'm painting these zebra print stripes, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Madam Glam gels. So all Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and Hema-free. So being cruelty-free and vegan-friendly means that none of Madam Glam's products are tested on animals, and none of their products contain any animal-derived ingredients. So being Hema-free is great for anyone that has Hema allergies. It's also great for nail techs that have customers because it minimises the risks of any of their clients having any allergic skin reactions. Now being palm oil free is a massive plus in my eyes. So a lot of natural habitats are being cut down and cleared to make room for these palm oil plantations. So a lot of animals are losing their homes, their lives. The Amazon rainforest, for example, has lost a massive amount of natural habitat. I shall show you a picture on the screen now of the map years ago of the Amazon rainforest to what it looks like now, and you will be shocked, absolutely shocked how much has been cut down. And not only is it affecting the animals that live there, it's also playing a massive part on the carbon emissions as well. Lastly, 21-free formula. So Madam Glam have recently improved their formula to remove 21 toxic chemicals. I'll pop a picture on the screen now of all those ingredients so you can take a look at them. Without these toxic chemicals, it means Madam Glam gel polishes are going to be so much safer for you and your nails. Like I say in all my Madam Glam videos, guys, Madam Glam gel polishes are amazing quality. Really nice to use, highly pigmented, just cannot fault them. So that's all the artwork done, guys. I'm going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go over them all with the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Now, I am wanting these to be matte, but I do find if I go over artwork with a matte top coat, it tends to smudge any artwork. So I found the best way to stop that happening is go in with the shiny top coat first, cure that for 30 seconds, then go in with the matte top coat, and then cure that for 30 seconds, and then that'll be them finished. So there we are, guys. That is them all done. What do you think? I really like them. They're very plain, very simple, but still pretty. I like them. They're cute. So like I said earlier, guys, Madam Glam challenged us to create a set to promote their early Black Friday sale, which is starting from today, the 10th of November, ends on the 12th of November. Minimum order of 3 items. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is my 50% off discount code for you guys, GinaBF. I'll pin my Madam Glam website link in my comments so you can click that and head on over to the website and treat yourself to some beautiful gels. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for letting me take part in this. I've really enjoyed it. All the products that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.